Hello everyone, welcome to CAD Pro Max. So in this video we will discuss about drafting. So what is drafting? So basically whenever you are creating any 3D model or any 3D part or 3D assembly, you want to show properly with the dimension, with the GD&T, with the functional tolerancing, everything like with the view, what are the view, because in it every time we cannot take the 3D model and show to the supplier or show to the show for the review. For that the best option is drafting. So in drafting we can get the drawing. So we can get the drawing dimension, we can get the GD&T value, we can give the surface features options. Then we can see all the secondary views. Okay, so how to open drafting? So for that we have two option, three option. One is start mechanical design, here it is drafting. Okay, once the drafting will come, it will ask you the standard. There are different types of standard according to your requirement. You may use the standard. I am using the ISO standard. And here the sheet size, different types of sheet size. Let I will go with a one sheet size. And here you will get the mode, in portrait mode or orientation, landscape orientation. So I'm go with landscape. It will come in a horizontal form of the page. Okay, now you can see you are in the drawing workbench. Okay, you are in the drawing workbench. Now here the drawing name is drawing one. If you want to go with the change it, there is no properties, because in drawing there is no properties available. Okay, it's a blank sheet, but in the sheet you may find the properties. Why? Because the sheet is added. Okay, in the drawing nothing is added, but in the sheet is added. And here you can make the sheet like your it is your main sheet or like okay, and the scale is 1:1. So here also you, after creating the format, you may change the format here directly. Here you can get the also the first landscape mode, third angle projection, bounding was or required or not, printing area or not required or not. I just click apply. The same thing you may go with it. So I will check, we will see what are the tools available in the drafting. Then we will go with the tools option. Okay, so here you can see in the view toolbar in the drafting, there you will get the view toolbars, dimension, geometry toolbar, drawings, and here some annotation toolbar. Annotation, so this annotation like first we will go with view. In the view toolbar you will get the front view, view from 3D, projection view, auxiliary view, isometric view, then your teacher default view. Then after creating the view toolbars, you can see now no view is activated because there is no 3D. Okay, without 3D this view won't be activated. Okay, now after that you will get different types of sectioning. Okay, offset section view, align section view, offset section cut, align section cut. These are also not activated because the 3D is available, primary view is not available in the sheet. Then after that you want to make it details view or details profile view, quick details view or annotation view, quick profiles view. That also you can create it. So we will discuss each one by one of the view later. Now after creating the view, different types of primary view or a secondary view or tertiary view, that time you need some dimension. So that dimension also mentioned in this dimension also there. This is not required because if it is any electrical component, that time this feature is involved. Now here it is rerouting. Rerouting is available, means if your dimension is not up to the date, that time you can use the rewriting. Then some datum switcher and geometrical tolerance is available. Annotation in text, different types of text, and boolean operation is available. Okay, we'll discuss one by one. So before going to the um, drafting, we'll go with the option toolbar. In the option, we need to go with the mechanical design, and here you will have the drafting. In the drafting, you need to set, if you want to set default, by default need to set what the option you want in the drafting. So in general, if you want the ruler, so the ruler will come. Okay, so I don't want here. Okay, so here, so display, what are the display we want? Display in a grid. Horizontal is 100 and graduation is 10. Okay, each of the small box is 10. Then if you want to sheet background, let sheet background, I want this. You can see whenever I will create something, the sheet background. Okay, the sheet background, it will come after the restarting the this restarting the CATIA. Then the entry, if you want the function you want to lesson want to display parameters, want to display, then you may set up this option. Then start working workbench, hide the dialog box, you can hide directly here, and the paper unit is in millimeter. Now here, view frame name, view frame, scaling factor, everything is activated here. Now new sheet, in the new sheet the copy of a background view is first sheet, other drawing. Okay, that also you can define in the view. In the view, very important, here it is view generation. Okay, in view generation mode you will get different types of view. We'll discuss this one also, but you for now it's like a exact view, CGR view, uh, approximate view, raster view. Okay, what is this? Exact means it is like, okay, this will discuss in depth. Then geometric. In geometric, this option is there. Dimension is there. Manipulator, which you want to manipulator. In annotation, text I want this, all this annotation. Move value. If you want, you can activate all and click OK. Then text orientation, no. Prevent view, no. Facet style. Okay. In the view, okay. So these are the some option you may activate while before going to the design. Okay. Now I will import one of those. Now see the view. Now I will import one of the part. Let I will import this part. Okay. Now this part is there. Now I'll go to the drawing view. Okay, the view is activated. Why? Because part is a 3D model is available. One is front view, one is view from the front, view from 3D, isometric view, and here it is a view. Whatever the view you want, you can employ. It's the value parameters. Okay, so I will go with the front view, Windows drafting. So here most tricky thing, if you want to select this plane as a front view, in the orientation preview it will come in the right side. The front view will be like this. If you want, this is the front view, then in the orientation only it will show you the front view. So I will take this one is my front view. Okay, in the very first time, if you want to rotate the front view or change the orientation, rotate or this flip, this thing you can do in the very first time. So I will go with this is my front view and click OK. Now you can see the view is created, front view is created. If you want to go to this properties, okay, you want to go to this properties, here you will get the display view frame and lock view, visual clipping, and here you will find the generation is exact view. Okay, generation is exact view. Exact view means it will create the view with the maximum data consumption. Okay, means whatever the data is there, it will consume maximum data, means proper data it will be come. Okay, and a large number of value. If I will go with the CGR view, CGR also maximum data is available, but the thing is here approximate also the same. Raster view drawing may lose some dress up element. Yes, so here you will in the raster element you can do this one. So I will go with the exact view. In exact view you can see all the dress up feature is available, and here you will get the maximum data to be consumed. Okay, now you can see all the dress up feature is created automatically. Now after this you can see previously the front view 3D view from 3D and isometric view, this view advanced front view is activated. Now here all the thing is activated. Okay, the first thing next is your projection view. Projection view is nothing but the parallel. So you can see it is the bottom view, because as I am doing in the third angle projection, go with this. Okay, now you can see the primary view is created. Okay, so this projection view is created. Now I will go with the isometric view. So once click on the isometric view, I am going to the window, I'll fit as a isometric and click, and the isometric view is created. Okay, now I'm just going to the front view and checking. See, I want to angle some angle, extent or distance. I want to lock this one also. Everything is possible. Preview. Okay, now the front the view generation is created, and if you want to do in a 3D view from 3D. Okay, so view from 3D is basically used whenever you are going from, means whenever you are working in the 3D functional tolerancing and annotation. That time your all the means all the dimension everything is mentioned in the 3D itself. That time view from 3D is very useful. So so now the second one is secondary view. Okay, secondary view, in the secondary view it's like a section view, section align section view, offset section view, sorry, offset section cut, align section cut. Okay, so offset section cut, align section cut. So I will go to one by one. Okay, so for that I am just creating, means opening another part for better understanding. Okay, in the same drafting, in same drawing, I can add one of the drawing. So we are already discussed how to create this view. So I'll just create another sheet here inside. Okay, now you can see this drawing is activated, sheet is activated. I will go with the front view, or here you can do here the view generation, view creation wizard, or front top left, or here it is front bottom right view. Front bottom right view, you can directly go with this if for a time saving. I'm just, this is my front, and right side view, bottom view, it is generated here. It will come as a by default. Okay, now you can see the view is very small, but the sheet is high. So for that, what you need to do is just go to this and changing this sheet to A4 sheet. Now drag and here. Okay, now you can see here front view, bottom view, right side view which is created, and I need to show something related to this. Here it is toolbar. Here snap to point up, create this one grid up on all display. You can see the display is not on or off, so you can do that this feature also in the here. Now we'll go with the sectioning. So the one is of offset section view. You can see whenever I'm clicking the offset section view is nothing but it will create a view which will show the view from outside. Okay, from this, if I will go and double click here and see here, so from this the view, whatever the view, it will show you. Okay, and in the offset section cut, it will show you the cutting portion. Okay, you will see the difference. One is section view. I'm just deleting this right side view and bottom view. Okay, now if I will go with option section cut, let this side and give here only the cutting portion, there is no boundary involved, but it is view means it will like view means here if I will cut the view here, if someone is standing here, it will he will see the view. Okay, but if you will cut this one, you will see only this person, this and this. It is a cutting section. Okay, only cutting portion will be see without the profile. Okay, similarly the align section view, there are in a align section view. Okay, in a align section, let I will create this one. See, in a align section, how you want to do the align section view, parallel or perpendicular. Okay, so let I will go with the parallel. So this one. Okay, now you can see in the parallel it is coming like this. Okay, if I'll go to with the perpendicular, see it is not taking the parallel, it is taking the perpendicular. The future. Okay, the view will be like this, from this, what is the view it is saying. Okay, similarly the align section cut also. Okay, Now the view is coming, but in the section, only section without these features. Okay, now the next one is your details view. In details view it is also same. If you are not getting the dimension properly, that time you want to see the dimension in a larger broader amount, the view will come in broader. Now the size of the circle is more. Okay, you may note the thing. Now it is view from the profile. If you want don't want to create in this in a circle, then you can go with the view from profile. So all the profile will be selected and it will come as the detail view. Similarly, you can go with the quick details view, quick details view profile. Okay, these two also same. Quick details view, you just select this. Now one option is, now if you want to select this, I want to select this, can I do? No. Why? Because it is not activated. So for that, what you need to do is you just activate the view. Double click. So activate the view, and once the view is activated, then only it is possible to do the quick details view, or on that particular thing. You can see quick details view. Similarly, we can go with the quick details profile. Okay. Similarly, now with the different clipping view. So clipping view, it won't come in the tertiary view. So for that, what you need to do is you need to activate this view. Then only you will get the clipping view. Clipping view means only that person you want to keep means clip. Okay. One it is from a clipping view profile, quick clipping view, and quick clipping view profile. Okay. So these four options also available. One is your broken view. Want to show some broken view. Later here I want to create some broken view here. Broken view is not possible here. Want to see, I will just deleting all this thing. Whatever the view is available. Okay, the section view also I'm deleting. Okay, now I want to do the clipping view, sorry, broken view. We'll do the broken view on the main front. Here I want to just go with the broken view. I'm just activating the front view and going with the broken view. Sorry, I'll activate this view for better understanding and going with broken view. You can see the broken view. Here you can show the this is where the broken has been there. Simply we will go with this. You can see the broken view. Okay, this will be removed. Now similarly you can go with the this view, breakout view. Breakout view is nothing but from the 3D. This is my breakout view. Okay, from the 3D it is creating the breakout view. You can see from this the bracket view will be created. So this is the breakout view. What are the breakout view? You can see the breakout view. Okay, similarly you can see the breakout view here. Now add 3D clipping. So here also you can apply and create the 3D clipping. Okay, now the view generation is created. Okay, hope you understand the view, different types of view generation in drafting. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.